Hi everyone. So this week I had the very fortunate pleasure of delivering a workshop, which is my How to Navigate the Corporate Landscape. And it was initially specifically designed for entry talent from ethnically diverse communities. But what I asked the organisation is, could I then facilitate a workshop whereby we could share some of these issues that are more likely to be faced by those from ethnically diverse communities with the entire cohort. And I'll tell you why. It's very important for me that whilst we empower all entry talent, that we also give visibility of issues and challenges faced by the different demographics within a cohort. And it did lead us to a place where I could feel some of the cohort were uncomfortable, and it wasn't about trying to navigate them to a place of being comfortable. It was about them understanding why they felt uncomfortable and what actions could be done to address these issues. And what was really beautiful about the facilitated discussion that we had was empathy emerged, because they were then aware of the issues and the challenges that were faced by different demographics who were in their cohort, which was really powerful. And I feel that empathy is usually downplayed as a key factor that is required within business. But what it showed within this facilitated discussion is that empathy is indeed very powerful. And the collective cohort, what they came up with were recommendations for leadership as to how certain issues can be addressed and where they currently are as an organisation. And it was a closed discussion, so there was no representation from the organisation there, but it was really beneficial, excuse me, it was really beneficial to see and to be part of that discussion whereby, in fact, what was being created was active allyship. It doesn't affect me. I'm not differently abled, but it's affecting a colleague, and this is what we need to do about it. I am not a female, but it's affecting my colleague, and I don't think that's right. I'm not from an ethnically diverse community, but these issues clearly affect my colleague, and I don't think it's right. And the whole session, all in all, was powerful. I received permission from the attendees. Could I share just the initial agreed outcomes of what could be done? And they agreed. But I just want to say that let's not underplay the importance of empathy in business, particularly with entry talent. Let's show them the importance and the impact of that empathy can have. So yes, I just wanted to share that with you. If you are interested, if you're an early careers director, or you are engaged with the entry talent within your organisation, and you want to provide holistic support for everyone, then let's talk, let's get in contact, and I can share a bit more about what I do with you, and we can make it happen. Take care.